the older I get, I find that I like to come to places like this. Because whenever you, like, I don't know where you specifically are living, but I grew up in a very, you can call it a city, it was basically a town, and then I spent my formative years out in the country. And I thought, you know what, I want to leave my hometown, I want to go abroad, I want to go live in big cities, and I've done my fair share of that. But I do find, as I said, the older I get, I just want to come to places like this. And the good thing is all the, I'll just call them foreigners, have left. They've left. So this place is basically a ghost town right now. So coming to a spot like this, you basically have an entire mountain to yourself. Even the hotel I'm staying at right now, nobody's there. So you basically avoid the tourist seasons. This is the benefit of building an online business. Everybody else, they have to go back to their job, they have to go back to school. But whenever you run a business online, you can just kind of do whatever you want, whenever you want. So anyways, I just wanted to show all of you, like, look up there. Maybe we'll go up in the mountains, go to the clouds. This is possible, but you have to put the work in. Obviously, you already know this. It takes as long as it takes. The problem with a lot of you is that you think that somehow magically you're going to go from like no skill to super rich within like a couple weeks, and then you quit because, oh well, I'm not super rich yet. It takes time. It might take you a couple of years, but it's worth it because everybody else, all these other people, it's going to take them probably, I don't know, 50 years, 40 years, but you can get it done in a couple of years. So anyways, let's go enjoy some mountain time together. Talk soon. So we're taking advantage of the fact that nobody's here, and conveniently there were some people that just came down from the mountain. They said the road was super hard, you need to have a four-wheel drive car, so we do. Four-wheel drive, snow, mud, rocks, whatever you name it. So just in case we get stuck up here, energy drinks, we got snacks, everything we need. There's no way this car is coming down from the mountains up here. No way. Yeah, we're going to try to make it all the way to the top of the mountain. We'll see. This was fun. See, this is the point of building your dream life. It's not to just sit on your computer all day, worried about things. Of course, I've got work. I'm in the middle of talking to some journalists about a big press release we're doing. I've got another deal that I have to fly somewhere. I've got Zoom calls. I've got TRW, I've got all these things I need to do, but I can do it from my computer. I've got my laptop in the back with me. So if I need to, I'll just pull over, get some work done. So it's not necessarily about how can I get rich? It's about how can I create a life where I can work and do the things I actually want to do. However, the added benefit, at least what I teach, is that you have a vehicle just like this that will actually get you to your destination, meaning creating your dream life, building wealth, and all that good stuff. You can do it from your phone. You can do it from your computer. Like 100% of the stuff I teach, you can do it from your phone. Anyways, I prefer my computer. It's much easier. But my rambling point is, you should be coming to places like this. Leave the big cities. Stop sitting on your phone, mindlessly scrolling, watching people like me and being like, oh, one day, just go and do it. Book the flight. Literally book the flight. Or for many of you who follow me, obviously you're outside of the US, I get it. Your country has things like this. It's like a 2.5 hour drive to come to a place like this. So maybe, just maybe, you don't even need to book a flight. You can just hop in a car like we did, come to a place like this. Anyways, I want to get back to the trip, enjoy the moment. Talk to you soon.